Meaning of feminism.
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 Feminism. Feminism is a social, political, and cultural movement that advocates for gender equality and the empowerment of women. This includes fighting against discrimination, oppression, and stereotyping based on gender. The result of feminism is a society where women have the same opportunities and rights as men, and where gender roles and expectations are not limiting or harmful. Feminism aims to create a world where all genders can thrive equally and where everyone is free to express themselves and pursue their goals without fear of gender-based discrimination.